Hey guys, we just got a great news. The DeBridge Foundation official token DBR is going live October 17. So this basically means 1 month away. How you can claim these tokens is really easy. You go on their official website, or you can just click the link in my description. It will open you this website where you can claim your tokens. And here is a deal. So basically, you can claim on chain at TGA, or you can claim off chain on centralized exchange. You can claim them right now if you want to, but I will wait for the TGE. So I will claim on chain, so I don't have to go on centralized exchanges. And the second thing is that you can basically choose, or you will get half right away and half 6 months later. Or if you want to claim with penalty, you will get 80% right now and you will be able to sell them on the spot. So that's basically how you will be able to claim your DeBridge tokens. And again, the TGE, they are going live on October 17th. So great news. Airdrops are still really big deal in this crypto space. Don't fade the crypto. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT Airdrop Alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you'll get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on early alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.